Hey everybody, welcome back. Gotta sit. How y'all doing? Doing good, I hope. We're doing pretty good. It's windy today. I got a little Walmart, Dollar Tree, and my thrift store haul. More organizational stuff. Some of it is for the car and others is for those like little kits that you make either for the car or for your purse. I happened to find this little gadget, little thing when I was going through my stuff trying to find it. Makes it bigger so you can have a bigger thing, and I thought this would be good for something. I'm sure I've been putting all of these kind of things in another big bag, so if I'm looking for whatever I want to do, so that makes it just this size, and then you can extend it longer. So create a bag. So I got that thing. The other things I got, this is from the thrift store. They had a green one. I already have a green one. We got the black and the pink. I got another pink one. And I thought that this would be good to make Ariel a little cart, like these two things right here could hold drinks. You put it in the back of the car. I'll probably use the black one for the car. I don't know. But I thought this would be good for like when they have a drink, because there's only one drink holder in the back of that car, on the little car. So this would be good to hold a drink or so. This would be good. They can put their food here or whatever. I thought this would be a good idea. I've already got a couple of them. I'll just put these ones with those ones and kind of figure out what I'm gonna do as far as that goes, because the Hummer has spots, but the car does not. And then I needed to get some clear pouches, because I've been watching the best way to do it, and you gotta do what fits for you, but I like the see-through pouches that I watch that gal use. So I'm like trying to find those inexpensive, on Amazon you can get them for like $14 or $7 or whatever, and I think I'd rather pay 50 cents if I can, So when I went to the thrift store, I went through all the bags to see what there was for clear bags that still had the zipper work and everything. And there was one huge one. I didn't want the big one. I wanted the little one. So I happened to find a little one. Needs to be wiped up a little bit, but the zipper does work, and it just needs to be wiped up a little. 75 cents. So I grab this one so I can redo. I kind of put stuff, I kind of did it already, but I want to redo it just so, and I'm not happy with it, so I want to do it, so I'm going to be happy with it. And then they had a whole big, huge bin of these little green things. And they are, let me see if I can open it. They are little sewing kits that has little teeny pairs of scissors. It has the sewing stuff. It has a little thing of tweezers, some pins, a safety pin, needles, buttons, all that. So I have one kit already, actually two, maybe three. But if I'm gonna do the 72-hour kit, I thought this would be good to stick into one of these kind of bags, so each person would have it. So I grabbed three of them. They were only 50 cents. So, and then the last thing was another bag, but this one you can't see through it, but it's small enough that you can put something that I like. I really actually like it, and I paid 50 cents for that. So, and the zipper works and everything. It's a cute little bag. What is it? 60 hair. So I don't know, it's really sturdy. So you can use it as a makeup bag or whatever, and I thought I could use a little first aid kit. I'm trying to make them so in the car, I'm making a little bag for the car. Then I've got the everyday carry is what they call it, survival thing that you can take car to car. That has first aid and all that stuff in it. And then you got your 72-hour kit. So there's 3. And then for the cars, there'll be 2, you know. So I only want to be able to use one bag. Put all the medicine, you know, the cold stuff or whatever in one bag. And then, so you have 2 bags with that stuff in it you can put in your car. And then another one of these that you put in that big bag. And then one you can put in your 72-hour thing. So that's my goal, is to try to figure that out. So there's those. So I'll put that with the rest of that stuff upstairs. This is from Walmart. And I grabbed some, these are cool. I have one in my camper and I have one inside the kitchen drawer because I get hot in the summertime. All you do is wet these little towel things and they keep you cool. You put them on your back. So I grabbed 2 more for the cars. So if we're out and it's way hot, I can say, go get my cooling rag or whatever, cooling wrap, and we can just put water on it and it'll stay cold. Awesome. I grabbed those were $1 something in the camping aisle in the at Walmart. So these are cool. And then I found 2 clear packet little things that I can put with this, and they fit in here. I made sure they fit in here, so both of them fit in here, so you can see what it is. So they didn't have any more of this size. They only had 2 of them, and these were like $1 something too. So I grabbed some of those, so we can do more, get those kits going. I really want to get it going from the car. And then from Dollar Tree, I grabbed 2 of these. They're the little bins. I'm gonna put one in the Hummer and one, or maybe these 2 in the car, or one in each car. I don't know. It depends on how big they are. I was gonna open them up and see how big it is. They only had 2 of these left at Dollar Tree, so I grabbed them. Let's see. They kind of feel like paper a little bit. So you could put a piece of cardboard at the bottom of this. This is wire, so it'll stay. But this is way cool. So I could put this in the trunk to put like a coat or in a blanket in, something like that. So I got 2 of those. I grabbed one of these, were in the houseware part at Dollar Tree, and it has the little, you can make a little kit out of this and take the sticker off. But I grabbed one of these because I wasn't sure how I was going to use it. And then, oh, my chairs upstairs stick. So I grabbed, they have a bunch of different kinds of these in that same aisle. So now I can go flip my chairs upside down, be a good project for me and Ariel to do, and stick these on the bottom of the chairs. So I grabbed those go upstairs. Oh, on the organizing section of stuff, I watched this, oh, what is his name? Something Chris. I don't know. He thoroughly cleans cars. I mean, he takes the seats out. I'm not going to take the seats out. But he used these same type of brushes and to clean the vinyl and stuff. And I'm like, oh, I'll just grab those from Dollar Tree. They have a bunch of, so I grabbed 2 of them. So you can take your cleaner. I think you just use soap and water and just really clean that hard vinyl. You know, sometimes it's, you know, on the top or whatever. And this really soaks down in, same kind of brushes, these are just smaller. So I grabbed 2 of those for cleaning. I will get together a cleaning kit and show you what I'm gonna use to clean the car, because it's filthy dirty, huh, Ariel? The car's filthy dirty, so dusty and gross. And I was gonna do it today, but it's way windy. It's nice out, but it's way windy.
It's not nice.
So I have a bucket outside that I need to clean out that I will use and put all the cleaning stuff in. And then I grabbed one of these lights. It's like it's not a, yeah, it's a flashlight, but it's a standing one. It has a stand. Or you can carry it. And so it takes 2 AA batteries. So I still need to get batteries for the flashlights. I need to get 2, I think they're AA's too. I need to get a huge pack of AA batteries. I gotta see what the other batteries take in the thing and pick up some batteries. If you don't open them, they'll stay good. So when you need to use it, you just open the batteries and put these in. So this will go into that big bag that I was talking about. And this will go inside there, because that'll always be in whatever car I'm driving. So right now I'm driving the little car. When I go back to using the Hummer, I'll move that bag over to that one, just put it in the trunk or the back seat or whatever. And then if we're using, my husband's car already has this stuff in it already. But got that. I picked up another one of these, because I was stupid me, I only grabbed one for your purse. You know, you can hang it on the seat thing. So I grabbed one already, and I grabbed another one for the Hummer. And then I'm slowly picking up more like stuff that we would use in our little like medical kit. And Jeff and Ariel use eye drops every once in a while, so I bought some eye drops to put in there. I didn't have any. And then I needed the medicine, you have Advil, you have your Dayquil, you have your ibuprofen and all of that. So I grabbed some of these. I thought they would be in, well, they have some in the medicine aisle, but I looked at them, they're smaller than these. These are in the crafter square. These are deeper. You can fit more in it. So I grabbed one of these. Actually, I grabbed 4 of them. They had 5. So I left one there. You don't want to take away from somebody else. So and it has 8 compartments. So I grabbed 4 of those. So these will go upstairs. This will go upstairs. Actually, all this stuff will go upstairs, except for this. The car stuff is down here. But this other stuff I'll take upstairs and figure out what I'm going to do with it. I need to get together a cleaning bag. So there is another organizational haul. I think this is the 3rd one. And this should be it, other than getting some more like medical type stuff, medicines. Like I still need to, I got a list. There's really not a lot more. There's some, but there's not a lot. So I just want to make another. I'll probably get, next time I go, I'll just grab a little bit each time I go, because, these are $1. Go to go to the Dollar Tree to get your medicines and stuff, because it's only $1. Or you can buy, because I've got the Advil and Tylenol bottles are like this, and I'm going to split them up into these. So 1 bottle should be sufficient, because you're just going to put in here enough, for like a day or something. Because you're not going to use them every day. Even on 72 hours, you're not going to have, well, you might have a headache every day, but I mean, you're not going to have to take it, But there's going to be in your, one of the 72-hour kits, the mom or to the dad, is going to have a whole medical thing. It'll have a big bottle of that stuff. But for now, that is it for this stuff. So thanks for watching. I got my little stuff right here to go through. I got lists all over the place, so I'll have to coordinate and take off what I have, and then what's left over, I'll make another list, throw those papers away, and go from those. So So you're always picking up stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and we'll see y'all again soon. Bye now.